Do you want to know how you can change your name on your Remitly account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can change your account name on your Remitly account. So let's go ahead and start with the video. Open Remitly, which is on your phone. If you don't have Remitly, you can install it from Play Store or App Store now. After you have opened Remitly, go ahead and log into your account and you will see this type of interface. In order for you to change your name, go ahead and click on Manage, tap on Profile, and you can see your name. Go ahead and click Add Your Name. Now, what you need to do is enter your first name and last name. First of all, enter your first name. Then go to the second box and write down your last name and click Save. And there you go. This is how you change your name or edit your name. Let me show it to you once again. Open Remitly on your phone, tap on Manage and go to Profile. Then go ahead and click on Edit, which is on the name. Go ahead and remove your name and enter your first name. Go to the last name section and enter your last name as well. Click on Save. And there you go. This is how easily you can change your name on Remitly. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.